Let us see question 1 of exercise 6.1. In figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD, this angle, is 40 degrees. Okay, then you have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. reflex angle COE, तो reflex angle COE निकालने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको एंगल COE फाइंड करना ज़रूरी है. लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन हियर. ओके, yes, what you can see, angle BOD is 40. If you observe carefully, see, you should be very good observer. Angle AOC and BOD, okay, are vertically opposite angles. So I will write here angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. इसको हम बाद में शॉर्ट में VOA, कैपिटल VOA लिखेंगे. ओके, धीरे धीरे. नाउ ऑल्सो एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल BOE is equal to 70 degrees. This is given to you, correct? Now therefore substitute angle AOC कितना है, 40 है. ओके, 40 degrees plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. Therefore angle BOE, 40 will go that side, equation 70 degrees minus 40 degrees. Okay, therefore 70 degrees minus 40 degrees is nothing but 30 degrees. So you got it. Now what you want to find, अभी आपको रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE निकालना है, लेकिन उसके पहले आपको एंगल COE निकालना ज़रूरी है. नाउ आई विल राइट हियर, सी केयरफुली. ओके, रे OE stands on line AB. Therefore angle AOE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair axiom. Okay, so linear pair axiom. Now if you observe carefully, then angle AOE is formed by angle AOC and COE. So angle AOC and COE are the adjacent angles. They are not forming linear pair. Remember, AOC and COE, OC is a common ray. So how I will write angle AOE? Therefore I can write angle AOE. I will write in bracket angle AOC plus angle COE, bracket close, plus BOE, angle BOE is equal to 180 degrees. Now you know what is the measure of angle AOC, we calculated above. Okay, AOC is 40 degrees plus COE you want to calculate plus BOE we calculated, and we found it is 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore angle COE plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore angle COE is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, and that is 110 degrees. This is the measure of angle COE, but our target is reflex angle. Therefore reflex angle COE, how to find? 360 degrees minus angle COE. Now 360 degrees, measure of angle COE is 110 degrees, we calculated. So So therefore measure of reflex angle COE is 250 degrees. So you can write your answer here. First, what is that? Angle BOE. So angle BOE, we got 30 degrees, and angle reflex angle COE we got as 250 degrees. Hope you have understood this. Let us see second question of exercise 6.1. See the diagram. Line XY and line MN intersect at point O. Angle POY is 90 degrees and measure of angle POM is A and measure of angle MOX is B, and the ratio of A is to B is 2:3. Then you have to find angle C, value of C. C means it is a measure of angle XON. Okay, so let us proceed. If POY is 90, then POX is also 90 degree. Okay, let us write here. Angle POX is also equal to POY is also equal to 90 degrees. Okay, then A is to B is given as 2:3. This is given. Okay, so we don't know the common multiple. So therefore, let A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Okay, now A plus B is equal to angle POX. You can see. Therefore, A is 2x, B is 3x, and POX is 90. Therefore, 5x is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degrees divided by 5. So it is 18. X is equal to 18. Okay, the value of x is 18 degrees. 18 5 is 90. Okay, so therefore, so what this implies? It implies that angle A is 2x. So 2x, that is 2 into 18, and that is 36 degrees. Okay, and angle B, what is angle B? Angle B is 3x. So 3 into 18, so 18 3 is a 54. Actually our target is not A and B, our target is C. Okay, अगर हम B नहीं निकालते तो भी चलता, लेकिन अभी ध्यान देना. ओके, अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे तो एंगल XOY and angle angle XON and angle MOY, they are forming pair of vertically opposite angles. तो हम MOY निकाल सकते हैं. Measure of angle A we calculated 36 and POY is 90 now. Okay, now A plus angle POY is equal to angle MOY. What is value of A? Value of A is 36 degrees and POY is 90 degrees. Okay, that is equal to angle MOY. So what it tells? It tells that angle MOY is equal to 126 degrees. Okay, now what you can say? Angle MOY is also equal to angle NOX. आप बोलेंगे MOY नहीं है, तो M का अपोजिट पॉइंट क्या है? N है, तो NOX. सिमेट्री मेंटेन करने के लिए बोलो, या इस तरह से मैंने लिया. यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक XON. MOY is equal to NOX. What is that? Vertically opposite angles. I am writing a short form, VOA, vertically opposite angles. So what is measure of angle MOY? So therefore MOI is 26 degrees, and what is NOx is nothing but C. So your answer C is equal to 126 degrees. Hope you have understood this. Let us see question number 3 of exercise 6.1. In the figure, angle PQR and angle PRQ are equal. Then you have to prove that angle PQS and angle PRT are equal. Okay, you can see I have written given. What is given? PQR is equal to PRQ, and to prove, and we have to prove that PQS is equal to PRT. So see the proof. Okay, you can see here angle PQS and PQR are forming linear pair of angle. So angle PQS plus PQR is equal to 180 degrees. You can call this result number 1, and you can write reason linear pair axiom. Okay, similarly if you observe PRQ and PRT are also forming linear pair. So I will write here similarly. Okay, similarly angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degrees. Result number 2. When you are writing similarly, no need to write the reason. If you write, no one is going to deduct your mark. So from one end to what you are getting? 180 degrees, 180 degrees right hand side. So you can equate left hand side. So we can write from 1 and 2 we get angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. So, but what is PQR and PRQ? They are equal. PQR and PRQ are equal. So, therefore, angle PQS is equal to PRT. Okay, angle PQS is equal to PRT. Okay, since angle PQR is equal to PRQ, we can cancel it, and therefore we are getting this. So we have proved this PQS is equal to PRT. Hope you have understood. Let us see question number 4. Okay, in the given figure, if x plus y, what is x plus y? It is forming linear pair. What about z plus w? It is also forming linear pair. In x plus y, what is the common ray? OC is a common ray. Okay, and you can see AOB is a line, but we have to prove here, so we cannot write directly. Okay, and OD is also a common ray in angle AOD and angle BOD. Okay, let us start here. See the proof. Okay, x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degrees. What is the reason? Angles at a point. Okay, sum of the angles at a point is always 360 at a point O here. Okay, now can we replace w by z, w plus z by x plus y? Yes, it is given. So therefore x plus y we will take in bracket, again w plus z in bracket, okay, is equal to 360 degrees. Now replace this x plus y and w plus z by x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 360 degrees. How many times x plus y? 2 times x plus y is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore x plus y is equal to 360 degrees divided by 2, and that is 180 degrees. Now you can see the figure, x plus y is forming a linear pair here. Okay, we have proved x not forming, it is forming, but we have proved x plus y is 180 degree, and once x plus y is 180 and OC is a common ray or a ray standing on the line, so you can, now x plus y is 180, that's why we can say AOB is a straight line. So it implies that AOB is a line. Reason? From linear pair axiom only. Okay, linear pair axiom. Hope you have understood question number 3 and 4.